friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about 5 amazing web development site because it is reducing your work time. We can say one by one. The first site is roadmap.sh. The site is useful for all the developer roadmaps. Let's see the features. Now you can open the browser and type it roadmap.sh. Here all the developer materials are there. Just you can click the topics and start to explore. And the next site is colors.co. This site is useful for color palettes generator. So you can press the spacebar and generate the color palettes. Finally, you can select the color and copy the color code. Also having the some other options. If you want, you can use it. Our third site is webcode.tools. This site is best code generator for developers. For example, you can click the CSS generator and then click the keyframe animation. After multiple options are there. Just you can change the option and values and see the right side CSS code will be automatically generated. Fourth site is 30secondsofcode.org. This site is useful for developer to discover short code snippets. For example, you can click the JavaScript and next page showing all the JavaScript related snippets. Just you can click the topics and you will get the definition and implementation code. Just you can try it. Last site is fontshare.com. This site is designed to you get a quality font and it's free. Just you can search the font and click on view family and then if you want you can download font family. I hope this information was